Isaac, this is John. I think you've met him before, or at least seen him before. Okay, so here's the deal. We have been kind of pondering, I guess is the right word, over expanding out this island. Now we got a couple of issues here. One is when you come out 6 inches where his hand is right now, you're going to not leave a lot of walk space here. So that's a problem. The other problem has to do with the electrical outlets, which are here. And if you pull it out 6 inches, they're going to have to do some sort of a reach up underneath to get at it. 6 inches here is probably not a big deal. We can do it on this side. I don't think that's a problem.
Yeah.
Okay, now over here, the drawers. We're going to lose access to these drawers because if you have a 6-inch overhang, like to here, what's going to happen is you'll have to come up underneath to get at the drawers.
Yep, there's your drawer open at 6 inches.
So, Isaac, I'm questioning whether we want to do we want to expand the width of this at all. The last thing is on this end cap. Now we can come out as much as 16 inches, John tells me. The problem is we'll go ahead and close this up because we need 2 braces at least, like one here and one here. Yeah, to hold the weight. Otherwise it's going to bloody well crack. So we would lose this these shelves here. So my recommendation is we don't do it, but take a look and let me know.